Hi, my name is Owen Horter. For my prototype project for Meki 2900, I did a remote controlled door operator and light switch operator. So it functions by rotating the stepper motor downward, which is controlled by an easy driver, and then the servo motor rotates to pry the door open, and then releases the door handle and retracts the servo motor to prevent damage. Oops. And it'll rest right there while open. And then to close the door, the stepper motor rotates downward, releases the latches so then the door can close, and then goes back up to its original position. For the lights, this DC motor here, controlled by an H bridge for both directions, it rotates downward to turn off the lights, and then to turn on the lights, the door opens using the other mechanisms, and then it comes out far enough so this can rotate past the light switches, and then closes the door, flips the switches up, opens it a little bit, and then returns to its original position. So that's all the functions of my device. Now I'll show you them actually working. All the arms for the actuators are made of cardboard. If more time was given, I would have 3D printed all the arms and made them able to actually function. The problem with them is the bearings can't handle the torque of the actuators. So for controls, 0 is close the door. So just click it. And it rotates the door handle down and back up so it can close. For opening the door, press 1, opens the handle, triggers the servo, releases the latches, and then releases the servo. So then for lights off, it'll just rotate the piece downward over the switches and then back up. And to turn the lights on, it'll open the door, move the light switch piece down, flip the switches, and then reopen the door and return it to its regular position. And that's all the function. I'm going to show you some of the parts. So the mount for it all was 3D printed. The stepper motor fit right in there. Made a spot for the breadboard to just slide in here. The easy driver is mounted on the breadboard just using a spare wire. The H bridge is right in here to control the DC motor. The Arduino slips over these 3 pins to hold the spot. The DC motor just slipped into a cut right here. And in the back, the DC arm has space to move and is mechanically stopped in either direction. So control of the DC motor was not, precise control of the DC motor was not too important. And then for the servo motor, there's a cut in the side. It's held in by 1 screw. And the servo motor is powered off the 12 volt pin, and the other 2 actuators are powered off the 5 volt. The 3D mechanism was altered from its original print by cutting off here to not hit the door handle. This piece here pushes against the door handle as the door is open to create an equal and opposite force to hold it on. Originally, this length here was too small, so I had to cut up here and add spacers in, and then it fit nice. So that's all. I hope you enjoyed. I enjoyed it.